Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy FM.
Hi, we're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Ian. And on this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
The kind of English real people actually use, not textbook English.
If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and give this one a like. It really helps us out.
Thank you so much. Okay, Ian, how are you today?
Honestly, half asleep, but excited.
Excited for what?
For today's topic. It's a good one.
It really is. Today we're talking about hotels. Checking in, ordering room service, dealing with a key card that just won't work.
The key card struggle is real.
It's so real. This is one of those topics that's incredibly useful if you ever travel.
And even if you don't travel much, you'll hear this kind of English in movies, in shows, everywhere.
So today we're going to walk through an entire hotel stay, from arriving at the front desk to checking out at the end.
A whole story. Let's do it.
Okay, let's set the scene. We just arrived in a new city. We're tired, our bags are heavy, and we finally see the hotel.
I'm already imagining the bed.
Focus, Ian. We have to check in first.
Right. Okay, so we walk up to the front desk.
Good evening. Welcome to the Riverside Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It should be under the name Ian Walker.
Let me look that up. Walker. Here we go. A twin room for 2 nights.
That's us.
Perfect. Could I get your ID or passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Great. Thank you. I just need you to fill out this short form. Name, address, and a contact number.
No problem. Give me a second. My handwriting is famously terrible.
We'll manage. Here's your form back. And here are 2 key cards for room 212.
2 key cards, so we don't have to share one and fight about it.
Exactly. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the dining room, just past the elevators.
Perfect. I never miss breakfast.
We know. Enjoy your stay.
Okay, that part was easy. So the first useful phrase here is simply, we have a reservation.
And if you don't have one, you can just ask, do you have any rooms available tonight?
Good backup plan for the spontaneous travelers out there.
All right, key cards in hand. Let's find the room.
Room 212 should be the second floor.
There's the elevator. Let's go up.
I always get nervous with these key cards. Half the time, they don't work on the first try.
Just tap it and hold it there for a second. Don't rush it.
Beep! Green light. We're in.
Look at this room. It's actually really nice.
Big window, good-sized bed, and is that a little balcony?
It is. Look at that view.
I could get used to this.
Don't get too comfortable. We still have to unpack.
There's a mini fridge, too. Completely empty, of course.
We can grab some snacks later and fill it up.
There's also a little desk here, good for my laptop if I need to work.
And a surprisingly big bathroom. Fresh towels, little bottles of shampoo, the whole thing.
I always forget how satisfying tiny hotel shampoo bottles are.
It's a small joy in life. Oh, wait, the air conditioning is blasting.
Let me find the control. Ah, here on the wall. I'll turn it up a little.
Thank you. My feet were about to turn into ice cubes.
Better now?
Much better.
Okay, first things first. Wi-Fi. I need to tell my sister we made it here alive.
The password should be on the little card by the TV. Here it is. Welcome 2024. All one word.
Let's see. Connected. Perfect.
While you do that, I'm going to look through this folder on the table. It usually has all the hotel info.
What does it say?
Breakfast hours, there's a gym on the ground floor, and... Wait, there's a rooftop pool.
A pool? We're definitely going up there tomorrow.
Absolutely. It also says pool towels are provided, so we don't need to bring our own.
Convenient. What about tonight? I'm starving.
We could go out, or we could just order room service and never leave this comfortable bed.
Room service. Every single time. That's not even a question.
Let's look at the menu. They have burgers, pasta, a few salads, and some soups.
I'm getting the burger and fries. Classic hotel order.
I'll get the vegetable soup and a chicken sandwich.
Drinks?
Just water for me. You?
A Coke, obviously. Okay, let's call down. The number for room service should be right on the phone.
There it is. Dial extension 5.
Hello, is this room service? Great, I'd like to order for room 212. 1 burger with fries, 1 vegetable soup, 1 chicken sandwich, 1 Coke, and 1 water, please.
How long did they say?
About 20 minutes, and they said we can just charge it straight to the room.
Easiest decision of the day. Let's put on the TV while we wait.
You pick the channel this time. Last time you fell asleep on my choice.
One time.
Someone's at the door.
That was fast.
Hello? Oh, perfect. Come on in.
Wow, that smells amazing already.
Could you just leave it on the table? Thank you so much.
Do we need to sign anything?
Yes, right here. Room number and a signature. That's it.
Done. Thank you.
This burger looks incredible.
My soup is still steaming. Perfect after a long travel day.
Room service really is one of life's small luxuries.
Agreed. No dishes to wash either.
The dream.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Surprisingly well. That bed was fantastic.
Same. I actually forgot to ask for a wake-up call and I still woke up on time.
I always ask for one anyway, just in case. I called down last night and asked for a 7:30 wake-up call.
Smart. Better safe than late for breakfast.
Speaking of which, let's go. I've been thinking about that buffet since yesterday.
Down in the dining room. Good morning. Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Right this way. It's a buffet, so please help yourself to anything you'd like.
Thank you. Look at this spread. Eggs, pastries, fresh fruit, and is that an omelet station?
There is! I'm going to get one made to order.
I'll grab some coffee first. Do you want a cup?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
2 coffees coming up. This machine looks complicated.
Just press the big button. There you go.
I have a plate full of eggs, toast, and way too much bacon.
No such thing as too much bacon on vacation.
My kind of logic. So, what's the plan for today?
I was thinking we ask at the front desk about a city tour. I want to see the old town and maybe the museum.
And I want to try the street food everyone keeps talking about.
Of course you do.
Excuse me, could you recommend a good walking tour of the city?
Of course! There's a tour company that starts right outside our hotel every hour. Tickets are $20 per person.
That sounds perfect. Could we get 2 tickets?
Absolutely, and I can just add that to your room if you'd like.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you go. The next tour leaves in 15 minutes.
Perfect timing. Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy the city.
My legs are completely done. We must have walked 10 kilometers today.
Worth it, though. That old town was gorgeous.
It really was. Now, I believe we have a rooftop pool waiting for us.
Let's change and go up. This view is unbelievable.
You can see the entire city from up here.
Excuse me, could we get 2 pool towels, please?
Of course. Here you are. Enjoy your swim.
This water is perfect.
This might be the best part of the whole trip.
Don't tell the old town I said that.
I can't believe it's already our last morning.
I know, it went by so fast. Should we go check out?
Let's do it. Good morning. We're checking out of room 212.
Of course. I hope you both enjoyed your stay.
We really did. Thank you.
Let me just print your final bill. Here you are, room charges, room service, and the tour tickets.
That all looks correct.
Wonderful. How would you like to pay?
Same card as the reservation, please.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Would you like us to call a taxi for you?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
It'll be right outside in about 5 minutes.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you for staying with us. Safe travels. Okay, that was a whole hotel adventure. Let's slow down and go through some of the key words.
Great idea. First word, reservation.
A reservation means you've already arranged a room before you arrive. You can say, "We have a reservation for 2 nights."
Next, front desk. That's the counter where you check in and check out. Some people also call it reception.
You could say, Let's ask the front desk for extra towels.
Next word, key card. It's the plastic card that opens your hotel room instead of a metal key.
My key card isn't working. Can I get a new one? Is a very useful sentence to know.
Then we have check in and check out. Check in means arriving and registering. Check out means leaving and paying your final bill.
We check in at 3 and check out at 11 is a common thing you'll hear.
Next, room service. Ordering food that gets delivered right to your room.
Let's just order room service tonight. Might be one of the most beautiful sentences in English.
Agreed. Next word, buffet. A meal where the food is laid out and you serve yourself.
The hotel has a breakfast buffet from 7 to 10.
Then, wake-up call. A phone call from the hotel that wakes you up at the time you asked for.
Could I get a wake-up call at 7:30, please?
Next, amenities. This just means the extra features a hotel offers, like a pool, a gym, or free breakfast.
This hotel has great amenities, especially that rooftop pool.
And last, bill. The paper that shows everything you need to pay for.
Could I see the bill before I pay? Very handy phrase.
So today's words were reservation, front desk, key card, check-in, check-out, room service, buffet, wake-up call, amenities, and bill.
10 really useful words. Try using 2 or 3 of them this week, even just in a sentence to yourself.
Let's go over what we covered today.
We checked into our hotel and learned how to ask for a reservation.
We found our room, dealt with a stubborn key card, and looked around at everything inside.
We ordered room service because, let's be honest, that's the best part of any hotel stay.
We had a big breakfast buffet the next morning and asked the front desk for tour recommendations.
We spent an afternoon at the rooftop pool.
And finally, we checked out, paid the bill, and got a taxi to the airport.
A complete hotel story, start to finish.
And now you have real sentences you can actually use the next time you travel.
Okay, it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Today's question is, what's more important to you in a hotel? A great breakfast or a great view?
Easy for me, breakfast every time.
I'll take the view. I can eat breakfast anywhere.
Write your answer in the comments. Just one sentence, like, I prefer a great view, or breakfast wins for me, always.
We read every single comment, so don't be shy.
And if you've had a funny hotel story, share that too. We love hearing them.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe to SpeakEasy FM so you never miss a new lesson.
Remember, every new phrase you learn is one more thing you can actually use in real life.
Small steps, real progress.
From both of us,
Keep learning, keep practicing.
have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.